how to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. So basically just go ahead and open up the YouTube app and make sure that you updated the app before you move along to the next steps. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on my profile icon at the below right corner, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on the settings here at the top right. And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit the manage all history, right? And basically, it's gonna direct you to the YouTube history and all that. Now, if I wanted to delete, the liked videos or interactions, I'm going to just go ahead to the interaction section, and you're going to see video likes and dislikes. Go ahead right here and basically just hit X, hit X, hit X, and basically I can go through all of these liked videos that I did before. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.